thunderstorm warning for northeastern Madison County in central Kentucky, southeastern Clark County in central Kentucky until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is a radar indicator threat. Following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Sighting and trees. Locations impacted include Ferry, Rabbit Town, Haggard, Doyleville,
You filming?
Olivers, Rutterville, Kincomb, Lima, and Right Angle.
It's J-Mounting Vlogger 74. Is this severe thunderstorm warning? Neighbor's radio's going off now. Okay. 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 If there were no trees or anything, it was plains, you would probably see it around over there. This is our EAS sirens. They sound kind of awkward. Well, yep, you heard the siren. If you're around here and you got the same thing, get in your basement, hallway, or bathtub. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. And if there's a siren going off in the background, if you want to hear that, you may. But if you want to click to another video, go ahead. Well, right when I said that, it quit. That's funny. There's still the sirens in the background going, thunderstorm warning. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Peace out. Catch you in the next warning.